In this video, we listed the 5 best robot vacuum cleaner on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ABIR X8 Vacuum Cleaner. Featuring a turbo brush and a dust box capacity of 0.6, 1L. Equipped with a HEPA filter, the device operates wirelessly and offers a battery life of 2 hours. It includes features such as timing reservation, remote control, and a variety of suction nozzles for efficient cleaning. Certified with CE, EMC, GS, ROH, and UL, the device operates at a voltage of 14, 8V, and a power of 32W. The brand, ABIR, originates from mainland China and offers control through the WebAC app. It utilizes LiDAR and SLAM dual location technology, providing 6,500 Pascal suction power and a smart electric-controlled water tank with multiple floor mapping capabilities. The device also supports integration with Alexa, Google Home, and includes features like restricted area setting, customized area cleaning, virtual wall software, UV lamp, Y-shape artificial mopping, breakpoint resume cleaning, time schedule cleaning, and operates at a noise level of less than 50 dB. Number 2. LIECTROUX Phi3S Pro Vacuum Cleaner. The LIECTROUX Phi3S Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile cleaning solution designed for both dry and wet mopping. It offers smart mapping and Wi-Fi app integration, along with a powerful 4 kPa suction and a brushless motor. The device supports voice control through Alexa and Google Home, and features an anti-fall system for added safety. Its adjustable suction power allows for lower noise levels, and the device intelligently senses different floor environments. With a one-time cleaning duration of 120 minutes, it is suitable for spaces ranging from 170 to 220 square meters. The product's HEPA filter type, 2D map navigation, and wet and dry mop functionality make it a comprehensive cleaning tool for various surfaces. Additionally, it comes with a range of features such as visible cleaning process, adjustable suction power, and a large water reservoir for wet mopping. The device is designed to be durable and convenient for use, offering a remote control and compatibility with various floor types. The LIECTROUX Phi3S Pro is certified with EMC, ROHS, GS, CB, and CE, and features a brushless motor, smart memory, and a noise level of 45 dB. Number 3. ABIR X6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The ABIR X6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner offers comprehensive cleaning for homes and offices, equipped with a camera plus VSLAM plus SLAM triple navigation system and a powerful 6,000 PA suction. It features various smart functions such as software virtual wall, zone selective cleaning, and the ability to set target cleaning spots on the app map. The device also supports Alexa and Google Home voice control. The vacuum cleaner is designed with a brushless motor, a 600 milliliters dustbin, and a 360 milliliters electric pump water tank, making it suitable for both wet and dry cleaning. The robot vacuum has a height of 7.6 centimeters, making it suitable for crossing door sills up to 1 centimeter. It offers a range of features such as adjustable suction power and water speed, obstacle crossing ability, and a cleaning area of 200 square meters. The device comes with a 120-minute runtime, and the package includes a range of accessories and spare parts. The ABIR X6 is designed for convenience, efficiency, and durability, and comes with a 36-month warranty. Number 4. LIECTROUX C30B Vacuum Cleaner. The 2D map navigation and memory robot vacuum cleaner by LIECTROUX offers a range of advanced features for efficient and intelligent cleaning. With its ability to build a map of the environment and remember cleaned areas, the robot achieves a sweeping coverage of over 98%. It is designed for high-efficiency cleaning, with strong suction power and adjustable modes for quieter operation. The device supports Wi-Fi app control and features an electric control water tank for continuous wet mopping. Its modular design allows for easy maintenance, and the fully enclosed body prevents dust from entering the mainboard. The vacuum cleaner is equipped with various safety features, such as anti-fall detection and twining-proof design. It offers a long-lasting battery life, powerful suction, and a range of cleaning modes. The package includes multiple accessories and spare parts, and the robot comes with a 600 milliliters dustbin and a 350 milliliters water tank. The LIECTROUX robot vacuum cleaner is designed for homes, hotel rooms, and offices, providing intelligent, thorough, and convenient cleaning. Number 5. 3800 Pascal's robot vacuum cleaner. The FGHGF D2 robot vacuum cleaner offers a comprehensive set of features for efficient and intelligent cleaning. With a variety of operating modes and a battery life of 2 to 2.5 hours, it provides extended cleaning capabilities. Equipped with a range of accessories including a crevice nozzle, the robot supports planned cleaning routes and features a dust box for easy storage. It is certified for safety and quality and operates within a wide voltage range of 100–240 V. The device supports remote control and timing reservation, and its intelligent navigation system allows for automatic charging and efficient coverage of 120–150 square meters. With a powerful suction of 3,800 pascals and a water tank for mopping, the FGHGF D2 is designed for household use and comes in black or white color options. It also supports Wi-Fi connectivity and can be controlled using Alexa or Google Assistant for added convenience.